Hey guys, it's Billy, and I'm here with my best friend Isla.
Hey.
These are our colors. You'll see us make them in like 4 seconds. Good idea.
And this small tube is a Ion Color Brilliance dye in the color Petal Pink, I believe.
So this is what we're doing. Halloween. Ooh. Ooh, he's pretty. I'm just gonna go with this one. Oh wow, that's a lot. This is a nice color. Oh yeah, you're gonna need a lot of diluter. That color is dark. But it's I love that it's like farting. I don't want to use it all. It's unopened too. Everyone's like, bitch. I'm gonna need more diluter. I told you. I was like, girl. I didn't think about it. I didn't think it was. I forgot how dark it was, to be honest. Yeah, it's supposed to be black. Oh yeah, you're right. I'm sorry. Ooh, farted. Oh my god, yours is so bright. Right? I love it. I love that we're like opposites. Or diluter. Yee. Beautiful. Ooh! I like the bubble. Pop it. Oh! That was so smooth. That was weird.
This dye is just consuming this diluter.
That's gorgeous. Yeah. It's so like bright but light. It's gonna be hard to mix it because it's like a cream and these are like liquid. So if you need the extra pink, you might, because it's pretty pastel too. I don't know if I should use this whole thing. You should. Alright, then I'm doing it. What direction do I go with? This one.
We're making the perfect color. This will help a lot. Yes. Oh yeah, I do. Oh my god, it's perfect. Okay, I'm putting a little bit more now. Yes.
Adding that little bit of virgin pink from Arctic Fox really helped make this color a lot less blue. It's still very blue, but now we both have our dyes done and we're ready to go ahead and put it on our hair.
Wait, I almost said be careful, and then I hit myself straight in the eye with like... I keep hitting myself in the eye. There's just so much dye like on the side of this thing that I have to get it off because my eye is deep. That's what's happening with me. I'm just using my hands already. This gorgeous color, look at it. Yeah, I'm actually really into this purple. It's very jelly-like.
So this is a real professional, very much quality hair dyeing video.
I just feel like every time I use my fingers to do like just the very front of my hairline, it comes out uneven. Me. My hair's just... You know, it's funny. Now that I'm doing this, I'm like, maybe I did need a lot more dye. It's just very soothing. Yes, it is. To dye my hair. I think like, that dyeing hair is like very therapeutic. Therapeutic. Yes, that's the word. Mm-hmm. It's nice. I need to be a whole new lady. Me. I'm so excited to see how this turns out. Me too. Whoops. I got myself. Oh shit. Ah. Fucked it up twice. Okay, I just always miss like right behind my ears. I got missed. I definitely just put that on my ear instead of my And I'm just gonna use my hand. This looks good. And I'm just gonna use my hands, so I'm gonna fuck me. What? Well. Oh shit.
So the dye on the eyebrows did not stay, at least not for longer than 2 days anyways, but they did look really good while they lasted.
Our hair almost touched.
My burn right here is my mist.
Did I get everything? I massaged it into my head, so.
And this is my finished result. Sadly, Isla does not have any videos and she has left my house, so I can't get any of her. I hope me being an elf makes up for the fact this video is a C+. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you love these 2 different hair looks we've brought you today. Be sure to like and subscribe if you like. I will also link below Isla's channel as well if you want to follow her.
My whole hands are red. Right?
I'm showing off.
Oh wait, confetti nails?
Like the smolder
Same.
from Tangled.